Morning, then it kind of dried out just a little bit. If you've stepped outside in the last 20 minutes, you may notice the humidity feels like it's getting a little bit higher as the temperatures are beginning to jump up just a little bit as we're seeing some late afternoon sunshine, which we had mentioned would be the case last night. You can see from Golf Club of Indiana, some folks were out playing golf today, but you'll see towards the end, we're starting to see some of the clouds thinning just a bit. So we're starting to see the sun coming out and temperatures beginning to warm just a tad, up to 70 degrees now in Indianapolis. And you can see in the visible satellite imagery, the veil of clouds beginning to push off to the east. So some sunshine breaking out into western portions of the state and even more so out towards Illinois. Also out into Illinois, though, there are some showers and some thunderstorms beginning to develop north of Champaign back all the way towards eastern Missouri. It's this area that we're watching for further development over the next couple of hours, and this may send some showers and thunderstorms our way. One thing to look at is the instability. And that's what the colors on this map indicate. Where you're seeing the blues, there's more instability for thunderstorms to work with. And that's where they're flaring up right now, is in the areas of instability. Notice into Indiana, you're seeing more gray and white colors. If you look at our scale, that means there is less instability to work with. So the storms should begin to decay as they move into the state later tonight. You'll see on a future view as we start to watch some developing back out to the west, not out of the question, some thunderstorms later this evening that flare up along the Illinois-Indiana state line could produce some hail. These will then begin to move off to the east, so we may hear some rumbles of thunder during the overnight and early morning hours tomorrow. Notice by 6 a.m. still some showers around from Muncie down towards Rushville, Columbus, and down towards Seymour. This will keep moving off to the east and then begin to pull out of here. We'll start to see the clouds breaking, and we should see some late afternoon sunshine once again. We are sitting at 70 degrees right now, which is the high temperature today in Indianapolis so far. We may even go up another degree or two before sun sets at 8 o'clock. 61 right now in Richmond, at 66 in Columbus, 71 degrees coming in from Terre Haute as of 6 o'clock. Tonight, we'll see our temperatures once again be on the mild side. We only dropped to 52 this morning. Forecasting a low of 56 degrees tomorrow morning, so leave the windows open tonight. It's going to feel kind of nice out there. Temperatures through the day tomorrow will be going from the 50s into the low 70s. I think we should see a temperature a degree or two warmer than today, up to 71 degrees with winds shifting around to the west. We're going to talk about later this week, Wednesday and into Thursday. We're going to watch the storm system begin to ramp up. It's going to be a strong spring storm. Snow into portions of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Through here, we'll have rain. Ahead of it, warm temperatures and windy conditions of highs in the mid-70s. But I think there is a chance we could be dealing with some stronger to severe thunderstorms later Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, maybe even into early Friday morning. Right now, I'm highlighting this area in yellow for the chance for that. Keep in mind, though, the forecast can and probably will change over the next 7 days, but it's something to keep an eye on. In fact, if you look on the 7-day forecast, I've got the weather radio on there, meaning if you don't have one, go out and pick one up, or at least make sure you got batteries in it and that it's operating correctly, because we may need to use those Thursday night.
All right.